Age of the Plants, episode 9. I for Incredible Inca Berries Muffin. Woohoo! And of course, the bloopers from Age for Hazelnut Choc Chip Cookies are at the end of today's video, so make sure you stay till the end to watch it. Hey Siri, why are Inca berries good for you?
I found this on the web for why are Inca berries good for you.
They are extremely high in antioxidants, vitamin C, potassium, and protein. And they have the highest fiber content of all dried fruits. It is a super berry. Welcome back to Lucy's Bakery. Today we will be making Inca berries chocolate muffin. I will be making it for the very first time today in my entire life, so wish me luck! And here are the ingredients for today's Inca berries chocolate muffin. Rolled oats, almond meal, flax seed, Inca berries, cacao nibs, baking powder, medjool dates, cacao powder, plant-based milk of your choice. I'm using coconut milk, raw cashew nuts. Before we start prepping the ingredients, let's preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius. First of all, we need to turn the rolled oats and the flaxseed into powder type of form. So we'll blend them separately. I put in here half a cup of rolled oats and let's blend it. So this is the rolled oats that is now turned into like flour powder. Next, let's blend 1 tablespoon of the flaxseed and turn it into powder. And this is the flax seeds blended into powder. Add 2 tablespoons of water into the flaxseed powder and just stir it. And this is going to be the egg replacement that is normally used in baking. It will goo up in a few minutes. Let's prepare about 3 to 4 medjool dates. So this is the sugar replacement. Another 3 for the frosting. Okay, so pre-prepare another 3 dates for the frosting later on. Next, let's chop about 3 tablespoons of the Inca berries. Another name for Inca berries is they're also known as the golden berries because of its color. This is what the Inca berries look like after it's been chopped. You can see that it contains a lot of seeds, and I guess that's why it's like rich in fiber. Now all the ingredients has been, the ones that needs to be blended into powder are blended, the ones that needs to be chopped are chopped. Next, we will be mixing the dry ingredients together and the wet ingredients together, and then we will combine it. So let's start with mixing the dry ingredients together. We already have the blended rolled oats here into the rolled oats flour, and we're going to add a 1/4 cup of almond meal into the rolled oats. Add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Ooh. This is what's gonna make the muffin to rise. Add a 1/4 cup of cacao powder. And then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cacao nibs. Give the dry ingredients a slight mix first to make sure it's equally all blended in here. The dry ingredients are now mixed together. I'm gonna add the Inca berries in here too. Just a little bit aside to put on top of the frosting later on. So just set a little bit aside and then add the rest into here and mix it. So this is the dry ingredients with the Inca berry. And next is the wet ingredients. So we will put a 1/3 cup of the medjool dates, which we just pitted before. We removed the seeds, so put it in here. Add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 3/4 cup of coconut milk. add the flax milk that we made before. And see, now it's just turned into like gooey yolky. So put it in here. All right, and then let's blend it. Let's now add this in and mix it. Tastes really good. And it smells good as well. Just keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing, mixing, mixing. Now let's put it into the baking tray. Just put 1 tablespoon into each cup first and see what happens. Voila, that's ready for baking now. Let's pop it into the oven for 30 minutes. Okay, now let's go make the frosting while we're waiting. I'm gonna make chocolate frostings. So I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of cacao powder in here, 1/3 cup of coconut milk, 1/4 cup of water, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 mature dates that we cut before, and 1/3 cup of raw cashew nuts. Then we blend it. Right, and this is the chocolate frosting. Oh my god, it tastes so good. Now we just set it aside and let it settle, so the cashews will start to swell up and it'll turn into more gooey texture rather than now it's a bit runny. Let's check out the muffin. Look at it, it's coming along very nicely. Okay, oh, it's ready. So hot, look at it. Wow, isn't it pretty? Here it is. See it? Now we have to let it cool for around 15 to 30 minutes before we can put the frosting on. So wait, don't eat it. Nah, don't eat it. No. Wait, wait, wait. No eating yet. I know it smells really good, but you have to wait. I couldn't wait, so I got one out first to see what it's like. So it looks like it turned out pretty well. See? I'm letting the other ones cool, and I'm gonna play with this one first and see what it tastes like. Oh, the frosting's still a bit runny, so let's see. Put the frosting on. Oh. Ooh. 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 I'm gonna put Inca berries on it. Just make it look pretty. And put a few cacao nibs too on it. Voila! It's ready! Inca berries chocolate muffin with chocolate frosting! Doesn't that look pretty? Look at it! I should have waited for it to cool a bit more, but I couldn't wait! It smells too good! This is the inside. Can you see it? Wow, it's so moist. Oh my god, it tastes like you know those chocolate souffle cakes? It's like hot and like soft in the inside. It tastes actually more like cake than muffin to me. It's got the chocolate taste and the slight tanginess of the Inca berry. It's a perfect combo. I like it. If you like this, make sure you share this and try it out with your friends, your loved ones, and your family. This is super healthy and super yummy. My first time baking muffins, success! I have to say thank you to my mum because she helped me out with the recipe. Otherwise, I would have made a disaster. I was gonna put a bunch of ingredients into this. The muffins have finally cooled down and there's only 4 left because I ate 2 while it was waiting. Now I'm just gonna put the frosting on it like so. Very simple, see? You can put as little frosting as you like and just let it drizzle down. That's what makes it yummy. And then put some Inca berries on top, just sprinkle it. Make it look pretty. Look at the Inca berries. No wonder it's also called golden berries because look at that golden color it has on it. If you like what you're seeing today, remember to share it with your loved ones and also try it out and let me know if you like it. This is super healthy. Live healthy, live happy. Woohoo! I'll see you next time. Mwah! 想吃。慧慧 what are you doing? Why are you making such a mess? Put those things back. Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah. Hazelnut chocolate chip cookies. Oops. Welcome to today's Age of... Welcome to Lucy's Bakery. Today... Oh, shit. Okay. You will love it. Well, Here are the ingredients. Shit. Let's set the oven, preheat it on. Let's preheat the oven on. Here's a chocolate chip. Here's a Here's a hazelnut chocolate. Oh. This is so amazing. Combination of love.